or it was God's design that they did one meeting where I saw Abhijit Prabhudesai and Rupesh Shinkre. ताणी ते प्रेजेंटेशन दिले in detail with facts, figures, documents. ताणी flash केले on the screen. And I came home आणि very worried. सारको हुस्को जाल्लो भितर. सकाळी फुडें while having breakfast, that was one thing. जेन्ना हांव नेवीन आसतालो, I always made it a point. Breakfast was always there with my wife because I didn't know whether I'll come home, for the next meal. So तेन्ना हांवें सांगलें की म्हाका मुळे वचोनशें दिसना आनी तांकांय हुस्को जालो, बायलेकूय हुस्को जालो. तांय म्हणे पळय गोंय अशें डिस्ट्रॉय जावपाचें आहा. सो दे डिडंट अंडरस्टँड पिसो जाला कसो. And the Pishapon has brought me all this journey all along the last 7-8 years that I am standing in front of you as a candidate of Congress and India Alliance. But ज्या दिसा म्हाका ticket announce जाली, एक म्हजे काळजान सांगतो हें आयलें की ticket म्हाका न्ही. Why did the Congress announce me as the candidate? आम्ही इंट्रोस्पेक्शन केले. What have I done? What have I done for the Congress? What have I done for India Alliance? That I was the joint candidate. And तेन्ना रोखडे म्हाका गोमन आयले. No, it was that battle what the people have been fighting. आनी हांवूय तांचे मदें हा. हे कसले झूज चालू हा. कसले झुजाक हांवूय जॉईन जालो. ते नुस्तेकार बाबडे आपणाचो कोस्ट लायन आपणाचे बिझनस सांबाळून सोदता. कोस्ट काडटात ते. आयज तो कोस्ट लायन गेलो. टुरिजमान आमचे टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर, मोटरसायकल पायलट, रिक्षा ड्रायव्हर आपणाचे पोट चलयता कित्याक सरकारान जॉब दिवंक जायना. आय एम कॉलिंग देम ऑन्ट्रप्रनर्स. टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स, मोटरसायकल आर ऑन्ट्रप्रनर्स, द बिझनेसमॅन. दे आर डेअरिंग सारखे. दे हॅव टेकन द डिसिजन आपूण लोन काडटलो आनी म्हजे ओन बिझनेस स्टार्ट करतलो कित्याक सरकारान जॉब दिवंक जायना. आयज सरकार तांकां त्रास करता. मीटर घाल, स्पीड गव्हर्नर घाल आनी कितें घाल, रिन्यू इट एंड देन ग्रीन सेल्स एंड पोल्युशन दीस. So much of problem. आमचे गोंयकारांक कितें जाल्लें आहा जाणां, तुमी उशीचो ज्यूस पियेलात न्ही, उशीचो ज्यूस, शुगर केन ज्यूस. तुमी पळयला तो ऊस घालता भितर, पत्तो त्या सायडीक वता, पत्तो घालता, घालीत रावता, ज्यूस काडीत रावता आनी फायनली तो असलो पालो कसो जाता ती गाय पासून खायना. करेक्ट? पळयला तुमी गायो भोंवता भितर खायना. आमचो तसलो बेस जाल्लो आहा. आमकां असले हे येवन पावरान पळय बसल्यात ते नांवां घेवन फायदो ना. जावं तो दिगंबर, जावं तो कोणूय रेजिनाल्ड, जावं ऑल दीस पीपल हू हॅव बिट्रेड अस. दे बिट्रेड अस, बॅकस्टॅप्ड अस. आमचो बेस त्या पाल्या भशेन जाल्लो आहा. बट वी हॅव टू रायज. एक सुकणें तुमी आयकलो इन इंग्लीश लिटरेचर एक फिनिक्स म्हूण आयकना. ते हुलपोन सकयल पडटा, गोबर जाता आनी फ्रॉम गोबरानसान पत्ते वयर वेता. We have to be like that phoenix. आमी ते गोबरानसान पत्ते वयर येवंक जाय. We have to fight this battle. आमकां लागून न्ही. हांव सदां म्हणटा ही पळय जमीन आहा, ही पवित्र जमीन. हे सोबीत सुंदर गोंय पळय म्हणटा आमकां कितें फालता. बारीक पळय कितें फालता गोंयकारांक. आनी ह्या गोंयान आमचे कडेन काय बरे प्रायो आहा, बिचीस आहा. ताजेर कांतारिस्तांनी कांतारा म्हळ्यान गोंयच्याच न्ही, इवन भायले शैलेंद्र सिंग आनी ते बॉलिवूड दीस बिसायड आमचे आल्फ्रेड जावं एम बॉयर जावं काय बरी कांतारां म्हणल्यार ताणी आमची सोबीत काय ताणी वाडयल्या कांतारांनी. जावं आमचे दोंगर काय बरे ते दोंगर, काय बरी शेतां बाटां असले मेळना. हिंचे सगळे एकाच ल्हानशा गांवान आमचे कडेन सगळें हा देवान दिलां. बट वी डोंट हॅव दॅट थिंग ऑफ एप्रिशिएटिंग एंड प्रोटेक्टिंग की बाबा हे फाल्यां वेतले म्हणून. हांव तुमकां स्पेशली शांदोरच्या लोकांक हांव शाबासकी दिता, एप्रिशिएट. कित्याक 6 वर्सां पयलीं आमी ह्याच हॉलान आयिल्ले आनी तुमी सगळीं भरलेली, आय थिंक सो डबल द नंबर ऑफ पीपल. तातूंत दाखयता की तुमकां गोंयचो मोग आहा म्हूण. तुमी गोंय सांबाळून सोदतात. तुमच्या बरोबर हांवूय आहा. आयज अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ आहा. तांचो आवय बापूय कोस्ट काडटा आनी सगळें एड्युकेशन जाता तांकां जॉब ना. आनी हे पळय हात बसल्यात पावरान ते पयशे मागता, ब्रायट 10-20 लाख. आनी हांवें ते म्हणा म्हूण म्हजेर केस केल्ली आहा. BJPची एक कार्य with the election commission. I got a show cause notice also. Why did you say that they are taking bribe of 10 lakhs? I stand by that. तुमका दिसता bribe घेना कशे? They are taking bribe. And they have complained against me to election commission. Violation of model code of conduct. अरे ते घेतात. त्यापासून त्या मंत्री पासून उडयलो. Their own ministers are accusing each other. So many things, those problems are there. So that is why when my name was announced, I सांगले ticket म्हाका न्ही. ही ticket ते नुस्तेकारांक, taxi driveरांक, motorcycle pilot, unemployed youth, बायलांचेर आयज गोंयांत इतलो अत्याचार जाल्लो आहा. So much of injustice. The ticket is for those women and girl child. So I request you all, आमचे गोंय जे वडिलांनी सांबाळून दवरलेले, there is danger to that Goa. That idea of Goa, जे सगळे भायले येतात, आमची सोबीतकाय एप्रिशिएट करून भायर वेतात, सांगतात, and then they want to come and settle in Goa. They appreciate करता. We have taken our Goa for granted. The fear is, I fear for my, this is a pilgrimage journey of life. म्हज्या निमण्या दिसा म्हज्या भुरग्यान म्हाका विचारूंक, what did you do? She shouldn't ask accountability from her father. At least they जाणो की ना, my father fought a battle, and I want all of you parents to fight a battle, not for us, आमच्या भुरग्यांक लागून. हे गोंय जे आमच्या वडिलांनी दवरला, 16 January 1967 आमचे वडील, हांव जल्मान ना, येवंक ना, but they decided, अरे आमची भुरगीं जल्मान येवपाची आहा, एक बरें गोंया दवरया तांकां. We have to ensure. कशी हांवूय त्या दिसा चिंत्तालो, हूंय पावलो, हूंय स्टार्ट जाल्ली जर्नी, आनी हांवें चिंतूंकूच ना. 1991, 12th August to be precise, सकाळीं वायवा जाली म्हजी, ओरल्स. एक IIT एक प्रोफेसर आयलो. आय वॉज डुईंग मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियरींग, आनी ते काबार करून घरा गेलो, आनी सांजचो 5 वाजता आय जॉयन द इंडियन नेव्ही एट INS मांडोवी वेरे. आनी थंयसान पळय सुरवात जाली. From there I went to Lonavala. I did my marine engineering specialization. Thunsan I served on 2 destroyers, both Russian. Ani magir ame chitle, I had a love for aviation, flying. Tumcho leader of opposition is also a commercial pilot. We share I think so common passion. Ani for that I was sent to Cochin, Naval Institute of Aeronautical Technology. थी हांवें मोरे aeronautics केले, and तेन्ना सान हांव aviation आहा. I got some beautiful moments, beautiful experiences. Jenna Pokhran 2, when India exploded the second nuclear bomb at Pokhran. Tenna maka I had a chance to be deployed आमच्या aircraft बरोबर. Because तेन्ना कितें जाता, there is tension between our country and the enemy countries. So we were doing reconnaissance flying. Eventually Kargil thing happened. And it was unfortunate. I thought, fortunate for me, ki life on Amkai, we were there at the battlefront. And now when he said about Amcho North Goa BJP candidate, Bab Sripad Naik, he said apnang doubt lagta man, because I am from Navy, and how can Navy participate in the Kargil war? Kargil war, why it is known as Kargil war? Kargil is a small village. Kargil is a very, very small village, tiny village. Thuisan, the enemy troops wore dresses of the terrorists. Thuichar terrorist groups are tumi jano. They wore their uniforms. It should be the other way around, but the enemy troops wore the uniforms of terrorists, and they entered the borders. Amchi border cross keli. And then that is why it is known as Kargil war. People think Kargil means it's a small village. But Tache Poi repercussions was huge. The whole world was worried. Will it be a nuclear war? Both the enemies were nuclear armed. Ani That is the time जेन्ना हांव कोचीन आहलो, म्हजे भुरगें was only 6 months old. So तांकां सोडून हांव, we were, रातचे आमकां मॅसेज आयली, अर्ली मॉर्निंग वन एअरफोर्स प्लेन took us. ताजे फाटल्यान आमची 2 प्लेनां गेली. I was in aviation, so from Cochin. So we were the first from the Indian Navy to join that war from the naval side. And thereafter, आमची Western Fleet and Eastern Fleets joined. Warships, submarines, everything. And to be very brief, I won't give details. Fighting zatale between the armies. Air Force was flying from top. But it was the Navy which turned the entire game in favor of India. Naval ships put a blockade around Pakistan. Pakistan poi crude poi yeta, tuka petrol zai, diesel zai, or whatever you require. That crude was stopped from coming into Pakistan. And they had stopped for only 7 days. After 7 days, Pakistan would have been finished. And through diplomatic channels, tanga sangle tumi kabar, surrender. So officially they didn't say surrender, they said peace, but Pakistan was finished. And this was at a different sector on a border with our aircraft. So this was just to clear that I feel very honored that I got a chance to participate in that war. Ata Sripad Naik, what is talking through the head, since to Exanto Munis, I give him that respect. I don't want to say any bad things about him, because Makadista, it is not in a culture. Ek Zante Muncha, ek Odila, I treat him as amcho Odil koso. And I don't want to say anything bad about him. Maybe after some days or months or years, Makadista takai ye guilty feelings atele. He just for votes, he didn't attack me. He attacked the armed forces. So coming back, Toisan, when I had finished about 20 years, 2011 मुझे 20 वर्ष झाले. 91 I joined. 2011 I took a conscious decision. Baba, I have to आता second career ha. Because in Navy it is simple. I was a man with a rank. I want a famous statement. I was a man with a rank, no money in the bank. So I had to look for a second career. And then at the age of 40, that is the time people are flying high. At 40, I enrolled myself for MBA in Symbiosis, Pune. And after that, I did another course called PMP, Project Management Professional, which was designed by NASA, America. It's a very difficult course, but I had to stay up. Now, outside Navy, I have to compete. They come with such qualifications. So, korta, when I was well armed with lot of qualifications, and it was a job zalo UAE, I was supposed to install one huge project for a country, a foreign country. More than the money, Makadista war, foreign country has chosen you to implement a project. And when I was about to go, Makadista, Devu Yoshe Korta,